everyone, my name is Stuti, student of Thangaraj Arts. Thangaraj Arts is an excellent art class for all age categories from young kids to older students. The environment is very kid-friendly, welcoming, warm, which makes learning art enjoyable and stress-free. Sir Thangaraj is extremely kind, patient and supportive. He guides individual attention to every student, carefully guiding them based on their skill level and pace. Every student who has joined this class has seen drastic and noticeable improvement in their art skills. The class is highly well equipped with proper and comfortable seating, proper lighting and excellent drawing equipment, which creates an ideal space for focus and creativity. What truly stands out is the positive and encouraging atmosphere. Sir Thangaraj motivates students continuously, helps build their confidence and encourages creativity along with discipline. Whether someone is a beginner or want to refine their art skills, this class provides right support and guidance. Overall, Thangaraj Arts is a wonderful place to learn drawing and art for students of any age group. Highly recommended for anyone looking for quality art education in a nurturing and professional environment. It has 5-star Google rating on Google website and truly deserves it. Thank you.